Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your Facebook is not sending your code through the SMS. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in this case, you just simply have to open your Facebook application, and now after opening the Facebook application, just simply go to the settings and privacy option and then click to settings, and into the settings and privacy you will get this meta account center option, and after going into meta account center you will get your personal details option into here. Just simply click into your personal details option, and into here you will find your contact information section. Just simply click into that, and after going into that section you will see all of the contact informations that you have. As you can see here, I have my Outlook mail as my verified contact option. You must be having problem because of your contact information is not correctly set up into here. Now if you haven't verified your contact information, it will show pending confirmations as you can see here into mine. Now in this case, you just simply have to select the contact information which isn't confirmed, and after selecting that you can either delete the contact information or confirm the information. Now in order to confirm the information, just simply click to confirm email address or phone number, and after that select the account information and click to next button. Then it will send a confirmation code into your new email address or phone number that you have provided, and after that enter that confirmation code into here and click to next. Then after doing all that, your contact informations into Facebook will be verified, and after that you can get your SMS or codes into that new contact information. By following this very easy steps, you can easily get your confirmation code or SMS from the Facebook very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.